Yes, hello. Good morning mga repa, mga moms. So yan, nag-check out tayo sa Inn Express.
Hello!
Yes.
Also Neptune.
So yeah, it's different, but we're gonna go to Neptune Park today. Yes. Yeah?
It's only Saturday.
What's that? Yeah, it's unavailable. It's closed. So, for the first time, pupunta tayo sa Neptune Park. Malapit lang yung sa hotel na kinuha namin. So, lalakarin lang namin siya. Dito lang siya. Lakad tayo sa beachfront. Lakad tayo sa beachfront, Han. So, ganda. This time kasi talagang nilapit ko na siya sa Neptune Park para talagang hindi na namin mamiss na puntahan. Kasi how many times we are going here, but we weren't able to go sa Neptune Park na yun. Ano lang statue ni King Neptune. So this morning, take a picture. Dala ko rin yung aking tripod. Ready?
Ready.
Alright. So, abangan nyo mga repay adventure namin for today, for this vlog. So, meron kaming exciting na pupuntahan mamayang hapon. Ayan. Mamaya malalaman nyo. Alright. Ang ganda ng weather, Han. It's not too cold.
Where's the food?
Hani ko, malapit na pala yung Walang Kapusubik eh. 14,047 kilometer. Grabe, no? Layo nun. From here yun? Totoo kaya yun? Doon tayo. Okay. Tinan mo, lalakayin natin dyan, no? Pagka tayo sa sand, dito na tayo sa gilid.
I see it.
Hindi ko nakuha ng kagabi to, Han, no? Hindi ko nakuha ng kagabi. Mga light dito, napagod tayo sa biyahe. Nakalimutan ko na rin.
I saw it.
Where? Yeah, King Neptune malapit na. Hello, honey. Ganda ng outfit mo.
Kasama niya si Disney Princess.
Disney Princess wala kasama namin.
Daddy, that's the hotel.
Yeah.
Hotel.
Ang sarap paglakad, Han, kasi yung tama ng araw.
Look at this.
Ano na?
Hotel in a hotel.
Doon, marami naman doon eh.
So tall. Daddy.
Oh.
These hotels, these are the hotel.
Yeah, you're right.
The hotel, so...
Daldal ng dalawa eh. Bakit lalakad dito?
We're too near.
We're too near, yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna take a picture there, okay?
Bear. It's a bear.
Yeah, it's a white bear, snow bear.
Bear. Look at the bear.
We're jogging, huh?
Look at the bear.
I know. Excited na isa talaga puntakin kay King Neptune. At long last, nakapunta rin tayo dito. Nakaisang tamay dito tayo sa Virginia. Ngayon lang tayo makapunta dyan, man. Alright, okay. We're here kay King Neptune Park. Laki ng statue niya. Nakagitna siya talaga dito sa bay na to. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the bay here in Virginia Beach. Oh, see? Look at that. That's King Neptune for you. Yeah. I'll go somewhere else. Let's see about that. So, nakaharap lang kami dito kay King Neptune. Wala masyadong picture eh. So namin si Neptune. Kanina, ngayon meron na. Laki pa rin ito. Dahil pa picture nito lagi eh. Pero dito kayo wala masyado. That's nice. Nakapag-TikTok pa. Nakapag-TikTok pa sa akin. Tsaka si Johan nakapag-TikTok. Nice, Johan, ha? You had a TikTok, ha? Nice. Very good.
How about me?
Tara na. Let's go to the next destination na. Dito tayo, mga repa, ha? Yan ay, Maxes. So ba, first time natin to, ha? The Max's Cuisine of the Philippines. Hanap na tayo parking. May parking nga tayo sa harapan. Ayos. Ayos. Ang parking. Ganda. Ayos. Sakto to. Okay. Max's. Andyan na. Pinoy. Max's. Andyan na. Filipino cuisine. Wow. Look like Max's talaga. No? Parehas talaga. Man. May Max's talaga. Oh, di ba? Parehas talaga yung style niya. Pati uniforme nila. Parehas talaga sa Pinas.
There's no fries here. It's sweet potato fries.
But there is fries.
Lumpiang Shanghai.
Lumpia.
Is it
How about sinigang?
Yeah, there's some.
Sinigang,
How
yeah.
sinigang? Yeah.
Like sinigang, Johan?
How lumpia?
You want lumpia?
How
Okay.
lumpia?
Alright. Ito yung Abby. Hello.
Kamusta?
My name is Joshua po. I'll be your server for today.
Nice.
Sila, can I get you guys anything to drink?
Water lang.
Water po.
Can you speak Tagalog?
Ayan, sa gabi
Tagalog
lang.
lang.
Tapos water na lang.
Water po. Sige.
I don't speak.
Grabe sila pala. Kompleto rin pala.
Mamiwan ko yung isa ha.
Sige.
Just in case umega sa sila. Add ko yung
Thank you. Ba't medyo prong kayo?
Ano lang yan, tira na lang nung supplier namin.
Pero wala na ba?
Pero actually, nawalan kami ng nawala po. Pero yung supplier namin, nakagawa na sila ba na? Sa approve na rin sa'yo. So, hindi ko lang sure man kung i-open nila sa store or sa mga restaurant.
So, yan. Ano to? Ubusin namin to.
Thank you.
Tawa si ate. Ay, ano yung panyo. May panyo sila na Pilipinas, no? So, ano ang order mo, Han? Kare-kare, sinigang, syempre supata, no? And then, lumpia ba? Lumpia?
What's the Tagalog word of you're welcome?
You're welcome. Walang anuman po.
Walang awama po.
Anuman po.
Awaman po.
Pero natin sila mag-Tagalog kasi
Hindi,
ano
kasi they're watching in YouTube.
yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. What say? Walang anuman po.
Wanga po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Very good. Gutom na ako. Gutom ako bigla. Thank you for this birthday treat, ha. This is my favorite, ha. Okay? Hindi pa kaya nakambal yan.
Huwag mo muna ipakilala kasi magugustuhan.
Hindi, 7 years old na sila, hindi pa sila marunong mag-soda. Hindi pa sila marunong sa ano, juice lang sila, no? Tsaka milk.
Hindi ka masyado sa juice.
That's nice, no? Tayo natin iba pang order, gutom na ako. Spray mo na.
What I'm about to eat was just for suffers for your body.
Very good, okay. Good job, guys. You should pray before you eat.
Diba? This is more healthy. Rather than the fries.
Like that.
Okay, good.
Ano ba yan, ha? Appetizer yan, ha?
Funny.
Sounds so good.
Ano lang, what you say?
The sauce looks so good.
The sauce is good. Ano bang sauce to? See, try natin, ha?
That's fine, love. That's your plate. So
Sarap siya. Masarap, malasa.
That's fine, love. It's okay.
Oh, regular lang yan?
Yes.
Laki.
Mamigil na ako yung
Laki.
Sige.
Tapos pa-picture tayo, no?
Where's the bowl?
I'll be right back with
That's
some
fine.
bowl.
That's fine,
Okay,
love.
okay. Alright. Sige po. Oh, wow. Kompleto na yung order. Nice. Sarap. Sabi, kali-kali, oh.
Idalawa na lang, man.
Testingin natin itong kari-kari kung kano-kalutong.
Crispy pata.
Kasi,
Nahihilo ka na sa gutom.
grabe, oh.
Don't give me more soup. She has a lot of soup.
Natin, ha?
Yummy.
Ito?
Sarap. Okay naman. Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. How about this? Sarap.
Sarap.
Oh,
Sarap.
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 Okay na?
So, naalala ko ano eh. About Max. Nagka-Max lang tayo. Pagka pauwi tayo galing bakasyon, no? Galing bakasyon. Pauwi galing bakasyon. Ay, papakasyon. Lagi tayong tumadaan dyan. Tumadaan tayo lagi kasi mag-lunch o kaya mag-dinner, no? May Max na dito pala sa Virginia. Okay naman siya, diba? Malutong, masarap yung ano, kare-kare. Ay, yung puspy pata. Hindi pa. Yung sinigang, masarap din. Hindi ko pa na-try yung kare-kare. May na-try natin.
Birthday sa Max masarap, sa Max masaya. Happy birthday.
Wow!
Sana ay nasiyahan sa'yo.
One more time!
Happy birthday. Sa Max masarap, sa Max masaya. Happy birthday. Sana ay nasiyahan sa'yo.
Thank you.
Max masarap.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Sir, kunin ko ng ibang plato.
Sure.
May space sila.
There's a menu at the bottom.
Kunin ko na po ito. Sige. Para may ano.
There's a menu.
Thank you so much. Sana nasa fresh chocolate na.
I want to get the menu.
Sige, Daddy.
Ang Max dito. Ganda ng ano. Decoration nila. May Red Doors pa dito. Kompleto. May San Miguel Beer pa. SMB. Tandaan niya mga repang mom siya. Kung gusto niyo magluto ng ano, spaghetti. O kaya mga pagkain kailangan ng ketchup. Dito ka lang pupunta. May Jupran. Ano ko sabi ko, pag gusto nyo lang mag spaghetti, o kaya any meal, any ulam na kailangan ketchup, dito sila punta. May Jupran may Jupran ketchup dito Okay, let's go. On to the next. Where? Yay! Yeah, 1 hour. Ang bilis natin mga repa. Wala pang 1 oras. Nandito tayo sa Busch Gardens. Ayan. This is the second time that we're gonna go here. First time kasi is nilibre kami ng pastor namin, Pastor Ruben. And today may nakuha ang promo ang asawa ko, which is anong promo nakuha mo?
Christmas Town.
Christmas Town ako.
So, parang 75% off.
Laki Tapos
$29
each. Pati si bata?
Yes.
Okay. So normally ang presyo yun is sabi natin mga 90, ganyan? 84. So ang laki nga nun. Tipid nun.
Pero it varies, Daddy, sa araw na pupunta ka. Pero mura pa din sa ibang araw, pero nasa 44.
Okay. That is 29 lang. Hindi kami kumukuha ng annual pass dito kasi hindi man namin madalas nasusulit. Kaya na Kings Dominion. Mura na yun Malapit na sa atin yun Sakay tayo dyan sa mga ganyan
Mitten!
Sa mga ganyan. Yan, sakay tayo maya dyan. Hindi nagpahinga kambal. Baka maya matulog yun Pagod siguro yan. Mga repa, so Jen and Johan, we're here now in the Busch Garden, right? Oh.
So where's the bus?
The tram. That's not the bus.
What's tram?
We're gonna ride the tram.
What's tram?
A tram. It's like a truck. There. So dito tayo sa unang ito tram loading exit. Pagka uwi tayo. Para hindi tayo maligaw.
Jay, how are we here?
Alright, go ahead. Johan,
No more than 5 guests or more important on board. Once seated, remain seated at all times. And when you exit the tram, exit on the left. Only him.
No. Mommy's here.
Sit on someone's lap.
We're gonna ride the tram.
We're gonna go inside the park and have a lot of fun. Santa Claus is here.
Santa Claus is here.
Santa's here. Rudolph is here.
Huh?
Elmo and Cookie Monster and Abby.
Is that a roller
Hello,
coaster?
hello.
Hey, wow! Oh, we're here. We're coming inside in the Busch Gardens, Christmas Town. Where?
Busch Garden.
Wow! There you go.
The Busch Garden.
Nice to see you again, Busch Garden. There's a lot of kids, right? Come on, Johan. Go inside, run inside, go. Wow.
Did you play that? Did we want to Busch Garden before?
Pasok na naman tayo dito sa Busch Garden. Laki ito eh. Laking tao. Christmas Town, yan, ano na lang ngayon kasi nga the winter is coming soon and it's already November, so Christmas is already in the air, kaya talagang ganito mga pakulong ngayon ng mga mabenta sa mga bata ngayon, sa mga family, sa lahat on all ages. Sila mo sila. John.
It's about fun.
Yeah.
It's about enjoying.
All right.
It's not about winning.
Oh, very good.
You have to be right.
Oh, this is a big Santa. Yeah, of course.
Go.
Take a picture with a big Santa. There's no people here. All right. Okay. Joshua. Oh, kamusta? Si ano pala to? Si Joshua pala to. Ano, kakarating niyo lang?
Oo, kakarating ko lang. Pabalik ako kasi
ano?
Kung yung kakariyan ng baby.
Oh, kailangan. Ano, malamig.
Andun sila, naghihintay.
Sino kayo lang din?
Kami lang.
Oh, enjoy ha, enjoy.
Kita.
Oh, bye. Oh, papasok ko, entrance tayo dito. Nakita pa natin si Brother Joshua. Ayos ha. Galing ni Joshua. Gugulatin ako ni Joshua eh. Nakapapila. Pero mas makapapila nung nakaraang punta namin. Para rin palang ano yun ah. Matindi screening ah. So, wow, Christmas na pala. Mami ah. Ang picture. There's ano. May bayad dyan.
Bayad?
Bayad. Let's go there. Come on. There's a lot inside. It's Christmas here already. Wow. Amazing.
There's mommy.
There, mommy's there. Come on. Stay with us, buddy. Stay with us, okay? Wow, parang pumasok ka. Han, parang pumasok ka sa ano, no? Parang pumasok ka sa isang magical kingdom, no? No, alam mo, yan ang feeling ko dito eh. Nung pumasok ako dun sa entrance, bigla mamasok yung entrance sa inyo, ganyan kaganda mga view, no? Lights everywhere, wow. Parang pumasok ka sa isang napakagandang village. Wow. Ito hindi pa nakapasok to. Ano to? Souvenir to eh. Oh, souvenir. May samurai. Okay. Nice, oh. Nalapunta dito ah. How much was it? 29. Wow. Mahal ah. This time, Johan, you got a lot of rides. That you can. What's that?
Right, Daddy.
No more. Showtime. Scrooge.
How about me? I want to do lots
Yeah.
of rides too.
You have a lot of rides too. Ano?
My ride.
Let's go.
What's rides?
Let's watch this one. Come on.
Small roller coaster.
Yeah, you can do small roller coaster. Come on. Here, mommy.
Mommy.
Go. Pasok. No. It's close there. We're gonna watch because it's 3 p.m. now. Scrooge.
Popcorn. Popcorn. So hungry.
Oh, you ate already? So hungry. Puntaan daw namin tong movie na Scrooge. Let's see.
We need popcorn.
Yeah.
We'll just have you park it against the
Wow.
roof right there.
Oh, let's go there.
Go watch a movie. Popcorn.
We'll come back. We'll come back.
This is only a few minutes.
Just only for you miss you it already. Only 5 minutes this one. Not
Wait, our popcorn.
no popcorn. Only 5 minutes this one. Come on, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Nice, oh. Ito pala eh, no? Ganito pala yung tsura niya, no? Parang teatro. Let's go. Parang teatro. Para siyang show, mga repa, oh. Teatro. Nice, ah. Okay. Hindi kaya kapal dito. First time namin itong gawin dito. Let's see. Bravo! Ay, yung ano, stop toy. There's a train station again here. Remember? We went to the train station before. Dito tayo kay Elmo. Let's see what ride ang bagay dito sa mga kato. Kasi wala yung mga ano eh. Gingerbread. Let's go. Go on. Jaden's there. See, you want to go there? Prince Elmo Spire. Here, Jaden's there. Go. Go ahead.
Let go, so it may be checked during your ride.
Oh, Kasha. Alright, enjoy your ride, okay? It's first fire.
Look at that.
Tapos na.
She's trying so hard to look down.
Sinara na yung iris ng tren. Ayan, hindi ko makakadawaan dahil may dadaan na ano. Ayan o. Ayan, ay mga ano. LRT. LRT. Ayan o. LRT o. Lamig na. Madilim na oh. Ganda na pakulay dito. Gusto na yung ano? Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. Mami, stop. May pakulay na sila dito mga repa mga masyo. There's a lot of color, right? Nice colors. Oh wow. Magical lights, right? See? Ganda pala dito pag gabi. Kapag ano. Kasi nga ano nga Christmas Fest. Winter Fest. Ano sa kanilahan? Christmas downtown? Ano?
Christmas town.
Christmas Town, okay. Eh, may pabanda, no? Ganyan ba gusto mo? Parang ka mapasok sa Encantadia eh. O, yun na yung ano, yun yung puno ng ano. Mulawin. Ay, ganda oh. Nice.
Take a picture.
Wow.
Everyone is picturing.
Everyone's taking a picture, right? Go there too. I will take a picture here too. Nice. Wow. Nice. Feeling ko dyan na inahan kasi may mukha ni Santa Claus eh. Tsaka bridge yan na yan ang patandaan. Papunta na tayo sa... Uy! Sa ano lang to? Sa Santa Claus ano? Oo nga. Hindi, yan na yan. Kasama na yan. Let's go to Rudolph. Dahil mga dito ah. Jade! Oh, Rudolph first. Picture kayo kay ano? Kay Rudolph.
One more.
Picture sila kay Rudolph. Oh, very good.
Here, hey. 1, 2.
Alright, thank you. Let's go.
Ay, ang nilagay din nila dad yung ano, yung pinapasuot.
Ah, yung parnet. It's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m.
What?
6 p.m. That's right. Oh, ganda oh. It's nice. Oh, there's the north, east, west, south. Wow, amazing. Yes, approaching the bridge, so we're right on track, Han. Oh, look at these lights. Look at the lights.
So beautiful.
So beautiful, right?
So beautiful.
This is a light of bridge of light of bridge. Oh, and look at that different kind of Christmas tree. There you go. Nice. Oh. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo umuwi nang walang picture si Santa. So itong dalawang elf, they will show us where Santa is. Come on. Kalit na dalawa eh. You know, show daw nila yung Santa. They will show us where Santa is. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, mga bait na elves na show sa amin kung saan Santa. Okay, there you go. They're coming. Oh, wow. Okay. Alright. Santa. Hey, there you go. Okay, sure. Nakita nila Santa. Na-amaze sila kay Santa. They're amazed si Santa Claus.
Right there.
Wow. Can we join too? Yeah. Alright, enjoy family picture. Yes. Yeah, there you go. Hello, Santa. Merry Christmas. So, yun, nakapag-picture tayo kay Santa Claus. Parang, parang ako rin kinikilig kay Santa Claus eh. Kaya kamukha tayo ng Santa Claus eh. Ito pala yung nag-alabas ng balon, no? Ay, na balon ng bubbles. So, yun, hindi na maabutan yung fireworks kasi late siya, 9 p.m. Oo, okay lang. Ayos na yun. So, yun, let's go na, Han. It all wraps up our visit here in this event, in this Christmas town. So, yun. Na-picture na. Hindi tayo nakapag-ride kasi nga. Pinuntahan itong mga to.
Ito kasi pinaka-main event.
Pinaka-main event nila. Oo, sa Christmas town. So,
actually, lahat naman halos hindi pang ride ka. Nakasarado mo.
Oo, lahat halos na ride. Mga simpleng ride lang yung mga nakabukas to. Alright, go. Let's go, guys. Ano yung jacket niya? Go, come.